Did you know there is an open source version of Cursor AI code editor? It is called Void. I really like their logo, I think it's really looking nice, and it's an alternative to Cursor or any other AI powered code editor. It is currently in beta, as you can see it here, but you can download and play around with it. I already did it and I can tell you it is working completely fine. It is not exactly the same as Cursor because it's missing a lot of features like planning, etc. But it is totally free and that's the most important thing. Only thing you gotta do here inside of the settings, you'll get also these options when you install your Void for the first time, but you can choose your own models. And what you need to do, you put in your own AI API key and you're spending money on your consuming of that AI, which is pretty normal. I mean, that means free in the AI world that you're actually paying to some other company, which is OpenAI, Anthropic, or whatever it is. Here you can see that I placed my OpenAI API key. So that means that here inside of my agent, I can use any model from here, so 4.1, 4.1 mini, nano, O3, O4 mini, and it is working completely fine. So now here I could use this AI in order to create some components or anything inside of my 8-bit CM project, and everything is working exactly the same because we are pulling basically just those AI models that we need. Of course, you need to get your own API key, put it inside here and use any model that you want. Other than that, it is again a completely like a mirror image of VS Code. So this is again forked VS Code. You have all your extensions and everything that you are using. Everything is basically copy pasted inside of this Void AI code editor, and you can use your own settings that you have inside of your favorite code editor. And what is the ultimate thing that we could do with this kind of AI code editor? If we return here to their landing page, we could see here a couple of features. So tab, quick edit, chat, they have all of that like normal features that we are used to. It's powered by VS Code, we already said that. And here, so we can have private LLMs, which means we could host our own AI and use it inside of our Void AI code editor. And that means that it would be completely free, except again, the electricity, you have to pay someone something. But that would be like some kind of ultimate setup. It wouldn't be still the best setup there is because you are missing on a lot of awesome AI models. But again, that could be just like a little bit getting off the grid, at least for those $20 a month for Cursor, or how much like you're paying for your Claude Code or something like that. I saw some like $5,000 bills. But this is one cool option to know, and that's definitely something that I'm going to investigate more. And you've probably seen here that it is backed by Y Combinator, so you can expect that in the end it has all the features from Cursor AI Code Editor. Of course, it depends, Cursor has a lot of money, so they are shipping a lot of features, but they're probably going to race with Cursor. And we can see here their changelog and the latest feature, so they're definitely going in the right direction. I really respect open source projects, especially something like this. We can see here on their GitHub page that they already have 28,000 stars. Can you imagine that? For a project this young, we can see that the latest thing is like 9 months ago. When they are talking about code, of course, there are these like rules and things 2 years ago. We shouldn't look at that. We are looking here and it's like 11 months, 9 months, and already 28,000 stars. That's really incredible. And I like have really much respect for these kind of projects. This is like the ultimate open source project. We can see they have 46 contributors, which is really a lot. And I really hope to see that they're going to get even more stars and users in future. I really hope that you enjoyed in this video. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Void, so this is something that I just encountered and wanted to share with you. So I hope that you like it. And for more content like this, join the mighty Horde, subscribe. There is also a Discord channel, so if you want to ask me any questions, I'm always online, and you can just type in join.thehorde.dev and you'll be on Discord. See you.